I'm not the girlfriend for you if you're into a lot of things, but I'm certainly not the girl for you if you don't like the crunching of leaves. I had to break up with my last boyfriend. He did something I don't understand. We were entering Stanley Park in harvest time, and we were holding hands, seen on the sidewalk in front of us. Fallen leaves were on the ground, but instead of walking through the mall, he pulled me to walk around them. I like the sound of crunchy leaves. I could listen to it every day. I wish when a leaf fell from a tree, it was instantly replaced. Soon that new leaf would fall to the ground. It would start to decay and make my favorite sound: crunch, crunch. I was proud of my next boyfriend. Through the leaves we two did walk, but when we stopped to rest at a park bench, he said we need to have a talk. He said he hates the sound of crunching leaves. It's like eating cereal too loudly. If he were next to someone lunching at a table, he'd get up and find another seat. I like the sound of crunchy leaves. I could listen to it every day. I wish that when a leaf fell from a tree, it was instantly replaced. Soon that new leaf would fall to the ground. It would start to decay and make my favorite sound: crunch, 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 crunch. I could never live in a desert, not because of the blistering heat. It's 'cause you can't walk through crispy leaves, because there aren't a lot of deciduous trees. And for the very same reason, I wouldn't live up at the North Pole. Lack of trees is the deciding factor, but it's also very cold. Every day. I wish that when a leaf fell from a tree, it was instantly replaced. Soon that new leaf would fall to the ground. It would start to decay and make my favorite sound: crunch, crunch. It would start to decay and make my favorite sound: crunch, crunch. I'm headed down to my new age record store. They have ambient music for sale. They have CDs filled with bird calls and noises of humpback whales. But in all my many searches, I've never located my favorite sound. Guess I'll have to get my own microphone, go back to the park with the leaves and put it down on the ground.